So there are many queries with respect to ITC and all that. So we'll go through these ITC concepts, and then still if you have any questions, you can please ask in the chat. Okay. So again, Q&A way only. So first question is, Rama Traders has taken legal services from an advocate and he has paid GST and a reverse charge also. Whether ITC can be claimed or not, and if yes, on what basis? So on what basis can they take credit? So consultancy fee paid to advocates is a little litigative, but if it is related to legal services, if it falls in the definition of legal services, then it will come under RCMs. Bharat sir, please reconnect, refresh your page. It's yes, on payment basis. Okay. Okay, so what is a document based on which I can take the credit? On payment basis. Yeah. So is it enough if I make only payment, or is there requirement of any document for that? So if I pay, is it sufficient, or do I require any document? Refund of RCM paid on import, sir. Highly doubtful, sir. No. Invoice pertains to now. Sir, yes, you can take the credit now. Yeah. Voucher, RCM invoice, self invoice, yes. Correct. Payment voucher, no. Okay, yeah. So yes, you can take credit. So it is specifically given in section 16(2)(a), telling that a person can avail ITC only if he is in possession of a tax invoice or a debit note. Right? So only if you have a tax invoice or a debit note, you can take credit. So based on payment voucher, you cannot take credit. You have to take credit based on tax invoice. And what is a tax invoice in case of RCM? We saw that, right? Self-invoice under 36(1)(b). So in the rule 36(1)(b) here, they are saying you can take credit based on the invoice that you have issued under 31(3)(4). So 31(3)(4) we saw previously itself. So 31(3)(f), sorry. 31(3)(f) is the self-invoice that you need to raise while receiving the goods on the date of receiving goods or services. So based on that self-invoice, you can take credit. Okay. Next. So Rama Traders has taken legal services from an advocate and did not deposit GST under RCM. Whether ITC can be claimed? So this is an easy answer. No, they cannot claim. Why? Because I already got the answer. So many answers on the chat telling as per section 36(1)(b), input tax credit can be availed on the basis of invoice in 31(3)(f) subject to payment of tax. So this is very, very important. Only once you pay tax under RCM, only then you can take credit of that amount. Else you cannot take credit. Okay? Yeah, no. Yeah. So next is the next question. Rama Traders took GTA services in February 2021 and deposited GST in the same month. Whether Rama Traders can claim ITC in February 2021 itself. Because what did we see before? They have to pay tax before claiming ITC under RCM. So here I have paid tax in February 2021. Can I take ITC in the same month? Still some people are confused about this. Can I take ITC in the same month? Yes. Chandra sir, yes. Chetan sir, yes. Yes. No is also there. Yes, there most of it are yes, some of it are no. Subject to having tax invoice, sir, we'll assume they have tax invoice, self invoice. Yeah. The answer is yes. Okay. So basically, there is actually nothing in the law which stops us from taking credit in the same month, because unlike in service tax law, unlike in Finance Act 1994, where they had specifically mentioned that you have to take credit, you cannot take credit in the same month. In GST Act, they have not given anywhere, and also the government has clarified on Twitter also that ITC of RCM can be claimed in the same month in which it is paid. But it has to make sure, you have to make sure that you have paid GST using cash. You have to use your cash ledger. You shouldn't have used your credit ledger to pay RCM under GST. Right? Once you have paid using your cash, then you can take credit in the same month itself. Next question is, Rama Traders has taken legal services from an advocate in June 2020 and paid GST under RCM in the same month. However, Rama Traders has not made payment to the advocate till Jan 2021. Whether ITC needs to be reversed. So here, please note that there is this 180 days concept. I'm sure many of you are aware. If you have not paid to your supplier for 180 days, for more than 180 days, then you're supposed to reverse your ITC. Right? So even in this case, Rama Traders has taken the legal services in June 2020 itself, but till Jan 2021, he has not paid at all. Whether ITC needs to be reversed in this case or not, because he has taken ITC also. Yadav Balaji, what is the use of RCM and paying RCM and take credit the same month? Yes, sir. Law, the law. Yes, no, yes. Should we reverse or not? No, no. Okay. Okay. The answer is no. You needn't reverse, because they have specifically given in the second proviso to section 16(2). So what they have given here is, where a recipient fails to pay to the supplier of goods or services or both, other than supplies on which tax is payable under reverse charge. Okay, what they have failed to pay? They have failed to pay the value of supply for more than 180 days. Then they have to reverse the ITC, is what is given in section 16(2). Now here they have specifically told other than supplies on which tax is payable on reverse charge basis. Because they have clearly told here in the proviso itself, in the section itself. So that's why 180 days concept will not be applicable for RCM basis.
Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST Challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the Challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and Challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Skipping this all the basic slides because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex, but I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser, it works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.